All right, so in this demo, we're going to talk about workspaces, and workspaces are really where you get a visual indication of what's happening in your exact Macola deployment. And workspaces are so configurable that really it allows you to have a very customized experience to see exactly what you want to see so that it applies to your business. So let's set up some workspaces. Let's click on workspaces and then customize. What you'll see here is we have the names of the workspaces we want to set up, and we can also set the icons that we want to choose for each of those. So we'll just close out of that. And you'll see that back on our workspaces screen here, each of the workspaces that we have set up has an icon, and you can hover over it to see the name of it. And next, I'm going to jump over here to a report screen. And what I want to show you on the report screen is how easy it is to set up customized menus. So like if I click on that order number and go to configure menu, what I'll be able to do is change what happens when I click on that order number and change the menus that are available to me. Now, one thing I want you to notice here is the 727, that order number is being picked up as a parameter up here at the top, and it's showing you that because we're going to use that parameter here. So like if I click on order detail view, you're going to see that that is actually for that order because that's being passed as a parameter. Same thing goes if I were to say edit sales order. It's going to open up that 727 because, again, that's being passed as a parameter in that menu option. So if we go down to 725 and I go to annotations, view annotations, of course, it's going to pull it up for order 725. And you see that there's sales order number 725. So all that is being handled in parameters, which is very easy to pass. So let's actually go and see what happens if we want to add a new menu item. So we go to configure and then menu, and let's click on new, and let's just edit. Let's create one called here called edit sales order. I know we already have that, but we'll create it again. So edit sales order, and that action URL that you see down there is actually where you can do a lot of fancy parameter passing and really get good with some of what these menu items do. I'm gonna go ahead and delete it for now. And I'll click Enter Sales Orders from Actions. And then I'm going to go ahead and save my way out of there and close. And when we go back and click on that order number, you see that we now have Edit Sales Order at the bottom there, which is the one that we added. And you see that it's passed the parameter of order 727. So we'll go ahead and save and cancel out and show you that if you click on the I there, it'll actually bring up the in context help, which will give you anything you need to know about the ways to pass the parameters and how that particular function works. So let's do one more. If we go back to our workspace here, and we'll go to activities and we'll configure that menu, the one I want to show you is a mobile item. So I'm going to click on one of the mobile items, and you'll see here that the action type is mobile and the mobile action type is mobile URL. And so depending on what we want to do there, we even have things like FaceTime, Skype, iMessage, all these things that are pre-configured for mobile. And so that's just one more step that we've taken to help you get the most out of your workspaces by pre-enabling a lot of this for mobile. So hope you enjoyed the demo. Thanks for watching.